So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about Amazon Hire Pro recruitment process 2021. So right now Amazon is hiring for the role of automation analyst through Hire Pro. So Hire Pro is a recruitment platform like AMCAT or Elitmus. So they're hiring for the automation analyst for Amazon right now. So we have already made a video regarding this off campus about its eligibility criteria and the total number of openings or the vacancies and the application process. So if you want to know more about these things, you can watch our previous video. So I'll be putting this the link of our previous video in this video so that you'll be able to watch our previous video and know more about the application process and the other things. So most of our viewers have already applied or already have registered for this off campus and they have received the invitation or you can say received the test link, but they don't know about the hiring process or the selection process or the interview process. So in this video we'll be discussing about A to Z things. So I am requesting all of you to watch this video till the end so that you'll be able to know more about the hiring process. So frequently they change the hiring process because they are hiring for this off campus or for this job role through Hire Pro. So I'm requesting all of you to watch this video till the end because we know about few things like the first hiring process. So in the next video we'll be discussing about the next hiring process. So before discussing further, let's discuss about the few things. Job role they are hiring for the automation analyst. Job category is software engineering and salary will be getting 3.75 LPA and location they are hiring for Bangalore. For other things like eligibility criteria and the other things you can refer to our previous video. So before discussing further, first let's discuss about the test instructions. So the test, take the test within 48 hours after receiving the email. That means after registering yourself for this off campus you'll be receiving an email with the test link and the username and password. So after receiving the email you need to attend the written test within 48 hours. So after 48 hours the credentials will get invalid. Then you need to provide your answers by using your microphone or keyboard. And this everything like your video, audio and the browser session will be recorded and analyzed. So you can't do the malpractice. So I'm requesting all of you to apply or you can say to attend this test or written test by yourself. Don't take any other person's help. Otherwise you will get simply rejected. Then now let's discuss about the system requirements to attend the test or written test. First of all, you need the browser, a Google Chrome version 75 or above, and machines. Only the you need to use laptop or desktop. You can't use your phone or mobile phone. Then video and audio. Webcam should be there and good quality mic is required. Then operating system Windows 8 or 10 is or higher version is required. Then RAM and processor 4 GB RAM is mandatory. i3 5th generation processor or equivalent or higher processor is required. Then internet connection, it must be a stable connection, not be fluctuating, and minimum of 2 Mbps or more is required. So it's still fine if your internet speed is less than 1, still it's fine. So there will be totally 3 sections of internet speed: poor, average and good or very good you can say. If it is poor, then the system will automatically block you. It will not allow you for the to proceed further the test. But if your internet connection speed is average, then it will allow you to attend the drive or attend the test. So please try to be in a place where the internet connection is stable. So now let's discuss about the written test pattern or process. So first of all, there will be a written verbal selection process or section, that means the English MCQs or the grammar MCQs. So total number of questions will be 30 and the time will be getting only 25 minutes. So that sentence will be very less, no need to worry about that. So you might be thinking that for 30 questions will be getting only 25 minutes. It's more than enough you can say, because the difficulty level is medium or easy. It totally depends upon the person. So if you are good at English, then it will feel you like it's very easy difficulty level. If you are a little bit bad at English, then it will feel you medium. So now let's discuss about the some of the questions asked in 2021. So these questions are shared by our viewers, or you can say by our subscribers. So in this video we'll be discussing about the some of the few questions. So we'll be facing these questions only. So the choose the option with correct punctuation. So the questions will be like fill in the blanks like with appropriate thing, or you can say appropriate word. Find or rectify the error in sentence, grammatical error you can say, and arrange the meaning, arrange the logic, or you can say the order to make a meaningful sentence. So all these things will be getting, these are the basic things or the things that you face in other off campus. So now let's discuss about the questions, some of the few questions one by one. So choose the option with correct punctuation. Did your parents not like Rafi, or did your parents not like Rafi with question mark? So which one is the correct answer? So there will be totally 4 options. So we have put here 2 options only in order to save our time and yours. So the second option is correct one. So now let's move to the second question. So I can put up this kind of treatment. So whether like is appropriate or as or on. So which one is the correct option? So there will be 4 options. So you put only 3 options here. So like is the correct option, or answer is A, like. So that means I can put up like this kind of treatment. So now let's move to the third question. So choose the meaningful logic order or the logical order to make a meaningful sentence. So totally there are 4 sentences. You need to arrange the sentence in such a way that it will make a meaningful sentence. So the first sentence is everybody knows the presence of water is a crucial for the presence of earth, of life on earth. So the second sentence is but what is the relatively unknown in that water also exists in the other form. Then third sentence is water undergoes structural change at the molecular level which makes it an aggressive solvent at high pressure and temperature. And fourth sentence is that this include water existing in the form of different crystalline structures at different temperature and pressure. So you can pause this video and read it out by yourself and think. You can answer this question. So you can pause this video and think. So these are the options A, B, C, D or A, B, D, C, B, C, A, D or D, B, S, C. So which one is the correct option? The first it will be A, then B. Everybody knows the presence of water is crucial for the presence of life on earth, but what is relatively unknown is that water also exists in the form of other form. Then it will D. This include water existing in the form of different crystalline structures at different temperature and pressure. Then C. Water undergoes structure changes at the molecular level which makes it an aggressive solvent at higher pressure and temperature. So the option is, or the correct answer is A, B, D, C. That means 2. So you can pause this video and think it by yourself so that your mind or the brain will be very sharp. So that's it. Let's move to the next question. This gives the ground will wet if it rains, or if it is raining, or if it was rain, or you can say it was raining. So there will be 4 options. The correct option is if it rains the ground will be wet. So now let's move to the next question. So quantify if underlined part of the below statement is incorrect. She is confident that she is knowing the answer. So whether it is correct or not, you need to identify. So there will be 4 options like she is knowing the answer, or she knows the answer, she will be knowing the answer, etc. So which one is the correct answer? She is confident that she knows the answer. This is the correct answer. Instead of writing each, you need to remove this. She knows the correct answer. This is the answer, correct answer. Then let's move to the Next question. Choose which phrase is wrong or incorrect. He went to the office by foot because his car was taken by his friends in previous day or last day. So now you need to check which part, or you can say which section is incorrect grammatically or any other things. So here you can see the error is in this part only. The first statement is wrong. He went to the office on foot. It is not by foot. So the answer is A. Other things are correct. So the first one or the third one, you can say the A part is wrong here. He went to the office on foot. So that's it. These are the mostly asked questions in 2021 or recently people have faced these questions. So if you are qualifying this section, they will be taking you to the further rounds. In the further round, you will be saying like they will be asking some of the few questions like tell something about yourself, etc. You need to record these things and instantly you need to reply. So system will automatically check everything and it will show you the answer, or you can say show you the message whether you are shortlisted for the further process or not. So if you have any doubts regarding this process, or you can say this off campus or hiring process, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.